Hey there, Smarties! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of flowers, from the vibrant blooms of sunflowers to the delicate petals of orchids. Just look at this sunflower. Isn't it absolutely stunning? Check out this lovely aster. Isn't it just beautiful? This is a rose. Feast your eyes on this beautiful gardenia flower. This is a lotus. This is a marigold flower. This is a daisy flower. Take a look at this gorgeous hibiscus flower. This is a tulip flower. Take a look at this enchanting jasmine flower. This is a lily flower. Behold the charming forget-me-not. Isn't it a delicate beauty? This is a mimosa flower. This is a butterfly pea flower. This is a pansy flower. Here's the lovely lavender flower with its calming scent and beautiful purple blooms. Here are the radiant daffodil flowers with their bright yellow blooms that bring a touch of sunshine wherever they grow. This is a frangipani flowers. Take a look at these stunning carnation flowers, known for their ruffled petals and vibrant colors. Chrysanthemum flowers. This is an iris flowers. Check out this gorgeous peony flower with its lush full blooms and rich layers of petals. This is a begonia flower. This is a zinnia flower. Here's a lovely bluebell flower with its delicate bell-shaped blooms. Take a look at this beautiful anemone flower. Here's a stunning camellia flower with its exquisite layers of petals and rich colors. This is foxglove flowers. This is sweet pea flowers. This is petunia flowers. Check out these magnificent rhododendron flowers. This is azalea flowers. Here are the lovely morning glory flowers with their stunning trumpet-shaped blooms. This is nasturtium flowers. Take a look at these delightful freesia flowers, known for their sweet fragrance and vibrant hues. This is hyacinth flowers. This is clematis flowers. Here are the charming pansy flowers. Here are the cheerful buttercup flowers. Behold the stunning amaryllis flowers. With their large, showy blooms and vibrant colors, they create a striking focal point that brightens up any space. This is vinca flowers. This is gladiolus flowers. Here are the lovely cosmos flowers, with their delicate petals and vibrant colors. Feast your eyes on this stunning orchid flower. Last but definitely not least, here are the charming snapdragon flowers, with their unique shape and vibrant colors. Bye-bye, Smarties. Thanks for watching. See you next time.